H-Town.
Pop with it, snap with it. All my ladies, pop your.
I'm telling you, first you got to unlock this thing. EJ, come.
Baby dog, that's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog.
My plan is that I'll be pilot and I'll help everyone. Pilot.
Yeah, he's a pilot, great!
Subscribe and turn on all notifications, or this dog will destroy all your shoes.
Oh non, mais. Non, 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 non. Non, je t'en prie, fais pas ça. Non, non. Oh, le fils de. Mais je vais te tuer, ce fils de.
Hello, hi guys, hello, hi. I drank mom's coffee again, and mom's coffee is very, 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 very strong, and I feel like I can conquer the world.
You're done.
I tried to scream.
I am under the water. Please help me.
Patient kids. Mom is preparing food.
Here's another ball I found rolling down the street at work. Are you ready? Go get it. You dork.
Hey, she's going hammer. She's going hammer. She's really getting the wood. I'm telling you, this cat is broken.
Hi.
Whoa. Are you hot? Is that why you're laying on the kitchen tile? You're so Come. Romeo, come. Come here.
I know what you're doing over there, and I kindly ask that you don't do it. Please. Don't pull that. No. Walter? I said no. Walter!
I hate him! I hate him! I feel like I'm never.
Hello? Hello! Are you a dog? Yes! I am also a dog. All right! Yeah! You're a dog! Yeah!
これなにこれなにこれなにこれなにこれなにこれなに猫 Hey mommy.
Hey my baby.
Hey mama. I'm taking a nap.
You want to take a nap?
I'm taking a nap here.
Okay, take a nap right there then.
Good night.
When Archer was a puppy, I was so worried about how badly he sat with his big sploot. I took him to the vet, and they looked at him, and I said, I'm really worried about how he sits. And they just went, yeah, he just sits funny. That'll be $150.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Motherfucker jumps onto my lap and just screams at me. What do you want? I'm giving you all the attention I could possibly give you. Come here, Toadie.
Toad can come over here, you crazy.
Oh my God. I cannot believe it. That is shocking and devastating. I can't believe it.
Do you like your new tie?
Of course I like my new tie. Why would you ask that?
It makes you look very handsome.
Oh, well, thank you. I mean, you know my confidence level ever since the breakup has been. But thank you.
I'm trying to put her to bed, but she won't sleep.
Wow.
Are you a Nicki fan?
What? Am I a Nicki fan? Pull up in the Sri Lanka. What?
Kore nani, kore nani, kore nani, kore nani, kore nani, kore nani, neko.
Come on, my boy. Come on.
Happy.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour!
No touching, please. I said don't move. Move your hand. Move. Move it. Move it. 6 feet. Social distancing. Come on. Uh-oh.
What?
People. I'm tired.
Well, I guess we can't go to the park then.
Okay, I'm not tired anymore.
In the beginning. In the beginning. Yeah.
As many of you know, adult cats do not meow at each other. Only kittens do that. So when your cat meows at you, really what they're saying is, I'm baby.
So sorry. I'm sorry. I love you.
My happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy. I love it.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it. Gentle.
Basta. Basta. No, basta. No. Why?
Have you seen the state of that doggy? Woof. If I pet it, it'd better be fluffy. Adiola takes walks like a geezer. Through a stick, it will go and retriever.
You.
I'm tired.
Well, I guess we can't go to the park then.
Okay, I'm not tired anymore. What did I say, huh? What did I say? I told you no touchy. Now you suffer the bite of the lion and the clenching jaws of an alligator.
Me baby.
You're what?
I'm mommy baby.
You're my baby?
Yes. And I'm fucking cute.
You know, I've realized that I'm probably just perfect and it's everybody else around me that's got issues.
Can I pet you? Why not?
You let me pet you at your house? We're best friends now.
This is not your house, dude. Can I help you? You don't live here. Can you get out of my room? Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Good boy. Good boy. Oh God. Oh, it ran away. Oh no!
When I wake up in the morning and I slip on poo and I look at my cat, wonder what's wrong with you, I scream, hey, why you poop on the floor?
Hey! Appa! Yeah.
Hey, you getting all you getting all my bad, OG. My bad, OG.
The flavors are melting on my tongue.
Yeah, tell the puppy you love him.
I love him.
Okay, now where's the where did it go? Where did it go? Where did the ledge go? Okay, I'm feeling instant regret. Instant regret. Okay, concentrate and recalculate. Concentrate and recalculate. Now tighten the button.
Look at this little bitch. Uh-huh. What you want? Want water turned on? Alright. Go for it, my guy. You spoiled little man, huh? Huh, you spoiled fat little man, huh?
People ask me, why do you spoil him? Why do you let him get away with so many things? Because of that face.
I brought you a gift.
Unbelievable. No. What are you doing? So now I can't even put stuff up there? I'm looking right at you.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour!
All right, people, I think it is time for a loaf check. Oh my goodness, we've got no tail, not a single paw visible. I think that's a 10 out of 10 loaf.
Every night at 9 p.m. my dog chooses something to guard. Tonight it is an almond.
You can have one bite. Sit. Oh my God. It's pistachio ice cream.
Hey, let me get a minute. Hey, let me get one too. Hey, let me hold one.
Yeah, you get that right there. What the dog doing?
Ben, I don't think you're gonna make it up there, bud. But this should be interesting. I really don't think you're gonna... Ben!
Wee. 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 Wee.
Holy cow, look at him go.
You are so beautiful to me.
Continue to give your dog treats even if there is no more, to see their reaction.
One more time.
Yeah.
Tell him. Tell him. Let me see. My big teeth are coming in.
When you own a cat, you are never truly alone.
Watch my dog throw a fit. Back up. Back up. Back up.
Bark at your dog.
Roof!
You my friend now.
No touching, please. I said don't move. Move your hand. Move. Move it. Move it. 6 feet. Social distancing. Come on.
Why are you up?
I gotta go to the bathroom real bad with spicy diarrhea.
You picked the wrong house today, man. Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep moving. Gone. Gone. I ain't playing with you, man. Keep moving. Hey, bro, look here. Look here, bro. Hey, you picked the wrong house today.
My mum said we can't get a Christmas tree. She thinks I might climb it. Or destroy it. Or eat it. I wonder why she thinks that.
I wake up right and I'm behind this gate. Like, I don't even know how this happened, you feel me? And then in my head, I'm just like, F it. But at the same time, like, you gotta look at the habitat. Look what they got me in, bro. Look, look, look. Exactly. No word spoken.
Show your cat as a baby versus now.
I got these slides on. Oh, you think you won't get smoked in some slides? Ooh, hold on, don't cheat me, don't cheat me. What y'all talking about? Put my shit in goddamn me.